Good evening and thank you for joining us. Following the Big Ten game, I'm Eliza Petrie. We begin tonight with a health alert. In the midst of flu season, area hospitals and health departments are noticing an increase in cases. Our Spencer Davis went through the data and talked to medical professionals to find out what numbers look like right now. Spencer?
While influenza B numbers remain low, influenza A cases and hospitalizations have climbed around the state. On Friday, Morgan County released a statement saying they were seeing rising cases, transmissions, and hospitalizations. With a similar trend being seen around the state, Dr. Vidya Prakash says SIU Medicine is experiencing more cases of the flu.
Our experience is closely related to what we're seeing across the state. We're down in hospital admissions for COVID-19 and RSV, but up due to influenza. And we're seeing across the board respiratory illnesses to all three.
Like the rest of the state, Memorial Health says they're also dealing with an increase in influenza cases at their facilities, saying in a statement, quote, Memorial Health Ambulatory has seen a 39% positivity rate last week for influenza A, the highest it has been this year. It's also higher than last year at this time, end quote. Memorial also said they have very few positive cases of influenza B at this time. Across the state, test positivity rates are on the rise. This data comes from the Illinois Department of Health. Since the beginning of January, influenza positivity rates have jumped nearly 15%. When it comes to identifying if you may have influenza A or B, as opposed to a common stomach bug or cold, Dr. Prakash says to look out for a fever, runny nose, a sore throat, and body aches, amongst others.
If you have those signs or symptoms, then you definitely need to see your primary care doctor or other healthcare professional to get tested. And in the case of COVID or flu, there are treatment options available.
Representatives from Carl and HSHS also said they're seeing a rise in influenza cases. Reporting in studio, I'm Spencer Davis. Back to you.
Thank you, Spencer. Dr. Prakash says to maintain good hand hygiene, and it's never too late to get your seasonal vaccines. A flu shot can lower the chance of catching the virus and also helps limit the severity of the illness if you do catch it. And the CDC estimates there have been at least 20 million flu cases nationwide. So far, there have been 250,000 hospitalizations and 11,000 deaths this season. The CDC recommends everyone 6 months and older get an annual vaccine.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and be sure to watch more videos from Fox, Illinois.